Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the application on the Bible app, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down till you find the language section, tap on it, and here you can select three features, such as the app interface, which means that it affects the language of the entire app. So tap on it to select from the available languages from the list, or you can also type it in into the search bar. Then you can select the language of the Bible text, so it affects the language you use to read or to listen to the Bible. And you can also use the plans, so here you can find the available languages. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.